Welcome back to the session. Today we are going to learn about tools with ServiceNow integration in Agentic Automation. Okay, in tools we have some components like automations, agents, and activities. So in automations we can add the workflows to call and agents as well as activities. So in activities we have multiple integrations: third-party Box, Coupa, Jira, MS Teams, ServiceNow, Salesforce, Zoom, Slack, Twilio, Microsoft Dynamics CRM. Okay, now currently we can try with ServiceNow and how it works. Okay, so while selecting the activities, right? So you have the option is like ServiceNow. Okay, along with you can also check Microsoft Teams to create the channels, to create the chart groups, to create and chart individual charts, right? And also Jira and Slack. You can also create the communities and channels. Okay, and Twilio, this is the telecommunication partner. You can create that OTP related channels and users. Zoom, Salesforce, like that. Okay. Now currently we can go with ServiceNow. So agent screen, we have to provide system prompt, user prompt, and the tools we have the automations. See, these are the pretty already I have the some workflows and agents. Okay, and activities. So under the activities we have the service now. Okay, so while clicking on service now, right, so it will show some parameters like create incident, create new incident, delete attachment, attachment, get incident, right? We have multiple. So before that, we have to set up an account for ServiceNow. So I have already set up the ServiceNow account with the credentials. Okay. So now what we need to do is I have the prompt, system prompt. Okay, what it is like, I have data. So this is NSE data. Okay. So here the condition is where the close price is greater than 1600, right? I will show you. Okay. Okay. Where a close price is greater than 1600, then return those symbols, means company names, as a output along with I need a incident in service now with the output. That output should be attached into the description, incident description. Okay. So now we can see the data what I have. See, symbol means I have the company names along with the data, and now I'm considering the column close price. I have the condition. So right now I have the values 1, 2, 3, means more than 1600. I have currently three values: Sintel, AIG, and TCS. These companies has to return as a output. Okay. So before that, this file we have to upload into the storage bucket under Studio, under Orchestrator. So under Orchestrator we have to create the storage bucket, and we have to create the storage bucket name, and into that we have to upload the CSV file. Okay, this one. So after that you have to create an index on that. So while creating the context, so it will ask the index to select this respective file from the storage bucket. So I have created a respective index to that. I will show you here. Context. See, these are the index I have created. I have selected this one to index the data from the respective storage bucket. Okay. So now I have already defined the data into the first window. sorry, first tab, kind of this one. See, you need to prompt the user and wish him using his name from user input and in context named. The context name I have given index data NSE, so that we have to define as it is. Into this column name close price, right? Close price is greater than 1600, then return those symbols as a output, and before creating an incident attach the output to the incident, okay, and incident description, and also display the incident number as well, okay. And okay, system from user prompt I have given. Okay, this name we have to define as a variable, and we have a data manager, open data manager, and here we have to add, okay. So here we have to integrate the service now application. So we have to select add tool, and under activities we have to select service now, okay, and click on create incident. See, here we have to I have already, these are the predefined connections which I have already connected. If you want to add a new connection, you have to click on less connection. See, it will ask some fields to update. You have to select that connection, whether you want workspace as shared from the orchestrator, and if you have authentication tab OR, you have to select, otherwise you have to go with the basic. And along with, you have to provide the site URL and client ID and client secret. Then you have to click on connect. Okay, so it will connect automatically, and I have provided already into my process. So see, I have already provided, and also whatever that incident have the fields, right? So those will reflect into here. So color name, okay, and short description and agency, impact I have selected high 1, and impact medium 2 I have selected, okay. Now we can try this once, so how it works. So now we need to expect from this context, we have to get the companies as per the condition, and along with we need an incident number as well, right? Okay, we'll see. I'm testing it. Okay, currently I have given the name Balakrishna here. Okay, let's test. Okay, now the LLM is loading here. It is checking on the condition, and it is created the instance as well. Okay, click on output here, agent output. Okay, see the output here. Hello Balakrishna. So the following stocks have a close price greater than 1600. Centel, AIG, TCS, right? As discussed. So these are the companies have greater than 1600 as a close price. Along with, we want to see the incident number here. An incident has been created with the information, and the incident number is 19. Okay, see whether the incident is created or not. We'll see into the service now here. Okay, let me, so currently it is 18, right? Okay, let me refresh. Okay, see the 19 is created just now. Okay, I have opened. See the details as well, the short description, stocks with close price is greater than 1600, and along with the output, Sintel, AIG, and TCS with the values greater than close price, right? And also I have updated impact medium, agency is high. See, it's very easy to configure ServiceNow integration with agentic automation. As per the statement, we can get the output very easily using prompt. Only the thing is you have to focus on the statement what you are providing. Accordingly that output will come, right? I hope you enjoy the session. Thanks for watching. Topics will cover in next session. Thank you.